Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank the ICOMER committee for giving us the opportunity to present our paper entitled Exploring Secondary Students' Connection Ability in Solving Linear Inequality Word Problems. My name is Mas Tuki, a lecturer at Mathematics Education Department, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Surakarta. This paper is the result of collaborative research between myself and my students, and my student Aziza Hasna Safitri. In this presentation, we will present the background, research questions, method, finding, and the conclusion of our research. First, in the background, NCTM in 2000 stated that connection ability is one of the important students' competencies needed in learning mathematics. Then, connecting mathematics with other concepts, disciplines, and daily life will encourage the students to learn more meaningfully. Related to word problem, the word problem is a mathematical problem related to daily life. Trends and Jubri and Rivers reveal that the students still have difficulties in solving word problems. The main students' difficulties in solving word problems is to formulate the mathematical model. To solve word problems correctly, the students should have the ability to connect among mathematical concepts, daily life, or concepts in other disciplines. Therefore, based on the background, we formulate a research question. How is the student's ability in solving word problems viewed from the level of students' connection abilities? In this research, the research design is qualitative. Participants in the study were 49 of 7th grade students consisting of 28 boys and 21 girls. Then, for the data collection, tests and interviews were used. The test consists of 3 word problems that represent indicators of mathematical connection, namely connection to other concepts in mathematics, connection to daily life, and connection to disciplines outside of mathematics, in this case, physics. Based on the results of tests, 3 students were selected with each having high, medium, and low connection abilities. The 3 subjects were then interviewed in depth regarding the answer to tests based on indicators of mathematical connection. Furthermore, to ensure the validity of the data, triangulation methods were used, namely tests and interviews. To analyze the data, Mills and Huberman's interactive methods were used, namely data reduction, data display, and drawing conclusion. Furthermore, the research results will be presented according to 3 indicators of mathematical connection. In the first problems, Mr. Suchi's house is built on rectangular plot of 20-meter length and sec y minus 1 meter width. This land area is not less than 100 meter square. What is the minimum land width that Mr. Suchi's? This problem is to reveal the ability of connection between mathematical concepts, namely the linear inequality of one variable with the area of square in geometry. The findings show that all subjects show the ability to connect the concept of linear inequality of one variable with the concept of geometry, namely rectangular. The three subjects can write and explain the mathematical model 100 less than or equal to 20 times 6 times y minus 1. However, subject with low connection ability category experiences errors in performing algebraic term multiplication operations, which was 20 times sec y minus 1 to 120 y times 20. Then the second question, you have 180,000 rupiahs to buy orange. The price of orange is 1500 per kilogram. Write down the inequality and determine the solution which states how many oranges you can buy. This question is to reveal the ability to connect mathematical concept with daily life. Based on the answer sheet, all subjects can correctly state the word problem that connects of the linear inequality of one variable topic to everyday life in the form of mathematical model. They can write the mathematical model 15,000 x less than or equal to 180,000. However, only students with high abilities use kilograms as a unit in writing solution. And then for the last problem, the average temperature of Ambon City in October ranged from 20 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Find the inequality for converting temperature to degrees Fahrenheit. This question is to reveal the ability to connect mathematical concept with other concepts outside of mathematics, namely the concept of temperature in physics. Based on the answer sheet, subject with high category can connect the linear inequality in one variable with the concept of temperature conversion in physics. You can convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. In contrast, the medium and low categories could not solve the third problem. They found difficulties to relate to the topic studied, linear inequality with physics. So, based on the findings, it can be concluded that first, students with high, medium, and low were able to make connection between math topics and daily life. However, the low category experienced errors in the problem-solving algorithm. Second, only high student was able to solve the problem with need to connect mathematical concept and other disciplines. Well, I think it is all. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.